Discuss chemical kinetics question. A gaseous compound A reacts by three independent first order process with rate constant so and so for products B, C and D respectively. Sir. Now here A gives B with rate constant K1, gives C with rate constant K2, gives D with rate constant K3. Sir. Now rate of reaction, rate of disappearance of A, rate of disappearance of A is equal to rate of disappearance of A for the formation of B, for the formation of B, then rate of disappearance of A for the formation of C, then rate of disappearance of A for the formation of D. What is the relation in the sense? Sum of these three is equal to this. So, rate of disappearance of A we can say K into concentration of A. For this we can say K1 into concentration of A. For this K2 into concentration of A. For this K3 into concentration of A. Concentration of A on cancelling we are getting K is equal to K1 plus K2 plus K3. So, we will substitute K1, K2, K3 values. K1 we are substituting 2 into 10 power minus 3. K2 3 into 10 power minus 3 plus K3 1.93 into 10 power minus 3. Sir. So, we are getting overall is how much in the sense 6.93 into 10 power minus 3 we got. Sir, overall rate constant we got. Then, if initially pure A was taken in a closed container with pressure 8 atmosphere, this pressure, initial pressure is 8 atmosphere. Then the partial pressure of B after 100 seconds from start of experiment they are asking. Sir, okay. Now we will see overall rate constant we know. From this is which order in the sense first order, let us find half-life period. Half-life period is equal to 0.693 by K. So, this is what is a unit in the sense per second is there. Okay, let us substitute here. So, 0.693 by 0.693 into 10 to the power of minus 3, 10 to the power of minus 2 now, second, which is equal to 100 second. So, T of is equal to 100 second. Here see, time is given 100 second in the sense half-life period. So, half-life period we are getting 100 second. So, after half-life period, what is the pressure of B they are asking? Sir. Now, A, initial pressure is how much in the sense 8 atmosphere given. After 100 second, what is the pressure means 4 atmosphere. While it is converting into what in the sense B, C, D. Therefore, after 100 second, how much A disappeared in the sense 4. Therefore, while B is produced, C is produced, D is produced, that sum is equal to 4 atmosphere. Because 8 becomes 4, so 4 atmosphere disappeared converted into B, C and D. Therefore, sum of these is equal to 4 atmosphere. Now, we have to find what in the sense pressure of B we have to find it. Sir. So, now after 100 second we want pressure of B. So, pressure of B we will take, this we want, that is equal to what in the sense rate of disappearance of A for the formation of B is equal to some K1 into concentration of A we can say. K1 into concentration of A. Sir. Next, overall is this. Overall is this one. Okay. So, rate of disappearance of A for the formation of B is this much. Overall rate of disappearance of A is equal to K into concentration of A. Now we will say this, we will take like this: rate of disappearance of A for the formation of B is directly proportional to what, in the sense pressure of B, we can say is directly proportional to pressure of B. Total pressure is directly proportional to overall. Now let us take the ratio. So partial pressure of B by overall pressure is equal to what, in the sense this K1 by K, we can say. Here proportionality constant get cancelled. Then we can say partial pressure of B by this P, this overall pressure. That overall pressure is how much, means this is 4 atmosphere. That 4 atmosphere we will take here is equal to this K1. K1 we will take it as 2 into 10 power minus 3. Then this K in the sense this we will take, that we will take. So from this what we can find, in the sense partial pressure of B, that is equal to 2 by 6.93 into 4. So we are getting a partial pressure of B, we are getting, which is 1.154 atmosphere. Let us complete this.